Okay, thanks. Liam! Liam!
It's Levi.
Oh, sorry. I just had a boy come in, so I didn't remember Liam.
Levi, this way. Levi. Hi.
Oh my god. You dumping all of them out? Are you dumping all of them out?
Mommy,
Yeah.
what that?
I see that.
Mommy.
You know, Mickey and Pluto are doing a great job.
So this is fine with us.
Okay.
That's
Well,
all
I
you
got
get out of it. If
pretty much
this is all you
everything
Get out of
with
it.
this.
Then. Are we good?
Yeah, we're good.
All right.
Unless he can, I don't know. He would like lay on his belly or something. Probably not, right?
All right.
There's some. I got a really cute one with him holding the two, just the two. So.
What I would like to get is I would like to get like a little block, but because we have the canvas, we're getting the canvas.
Okay.
So I'd like the canvas with, you know,
Mommy.
little
Okay.
pieces of this thing.
Can you see that?
Oh, thank you. You're stressing me.
All right. Let me load these up then.
Should we, is there any way to get the ones where he is like lifting his hands up like that?
Yeah. Come here. Hands up. Hands up. Put your hands up.
Yay! Say ta-da!
Put your hands up.
Go wee!
Ta-da! You're all done.
Are you all done?
Show me.
Ta-da!
Levi.
Say ta-da!
Levi, where's the airplane?
Go get it. Go get. Can you get me one? Can you go get me one?
His jeans are so cute. Levi. Put your hands up.
Ta-da! Watch. Ready? Ready? Ah! Ready? Ta-da! Ready? Are you gonna do ta-da? Ready? Ta-da!
Oh boy.
Oh, great.
Okay. We're good.
Ta-da!
Ta-da.
Now you're happy?
That was cute.
Mark, do you want to do football ones or no?
I don't think he's tolerating anything right now.
There's a few really cute ones.
Are you done? Are you ready? All right. Ready? Do you want to clean this up with you? Mommy will go pick pictures.
Okay. Are we done?
Yeah.
Alright. Editing is. You got a 16 by 20 canvas?
Leave.
Your fun?
Yes, I think so.
Okay.
Leave. Bye-bye.